I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Everyone, hello universe, it's me again. Shoutout sa inyo mga kababayan. Siyempre, shoutout sa mga Marcos Lily supporters Filipino and OFW. Siyempre, dahil itinaga ng bagong ombudsman ng Pilipinas, si Secretary Remulla, ng ating mahal na Pangulo, kaya bakante po ang pwesto, ang posisyon bilang DOJ Secretary. But for temporary, si Sir or si Yusek Bida ang kasalukuyang tagapamuno ng DOJ. Basahin po natin mga bes, ha? Sabi dito mga bes, new DOJ OIC, ha? OIC po yan, no? Following the appointment of Jesus Crispin Remulla as Ombudsman, Department of Justice under Secretary Frederick A. Bida has been named officer in charge of the DOJ. Ayan. Yusek Bida is a lawyer and public servant holding a Juris Doctor degree from the Ateneo School of Law. Di kalidad din mga bes, ha? Where he graduated as a silver medalist, he was served in both national and local governments roles, including as a mayor of Mendez Nunez, Cavite, and president of the Mayor's League of the Cavite before becoming OIC. He oversaw the DOJ's Finance Administrative Service and Personal Cluster. Yan pala guys. Dati pala siyang mayor. Diba? From Ateneo. Graduate ng law. Di kalidad at bihasa. Sa totoo lang. Siya po ang new DOJ OIC. Pagsamantala. Sino po kaya ang magiging DOJ Secretary? Sino kaya ang mapupusuan ng Pangulo? Pero, nandirito po ang mga listahan na maaring magiging DOJ Secretary, mga kababayan. No, ihatid po natin para malaman nyo. And of course, si Yusek Bida, kasama na po siguro yan sa isa sa mga pagpipiliinan ng Pangulo. Who knows? Hindi natin alam. No? Eto na. Ito, insider, outsider. Michael Aguinaldo, Jerbel Luistro, to DOJ's Yusek eyed for top DOJ post. Sila po ang maaring mahalal bilang susunod na DOJ Secretary. Ayan, sabi po ng politiko, mga kababayan. Ayan, kasama po si Congressman Luistro. Ay, di kayo naloka, mga beswa. For sure, siyempre kasama din si Yusek Bida, yung kasalukuyang OIC ng DOJ sa ngayon. So kayo po mga bes, sino po ang bet nyo dyan? Ako, well, kay Pangulo na lang tayong dumidepende kung sino po ang napupusuan niya, doon tayo. Siyempre, babalasahin po yan. Ika nga, susuriin ang kanilang mga background, katangian, yung buong pagkatao nila. Ito kasi yung nabasa natin, kasama po sa 7 shortlist ng bilang next ombudsman. Ito po, nangunguna po siya nung number 1 si Mike yata ito, no? Si Michael Aguinaldo yata ito ang nakakuha ng 6 votes for the next ombudsman. Pero si Secretary Remulla po ang winner. Okay. Sabi po dito, tuloy. Malacanang is reportedly beating several names to replace Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla, who has been appointed as the new ombudsman. Political learn. Anis Cooper said the Philippines Competition Commission PCC Chairman Michael Aguinaldo, Batangas 2nd District Representative Jerbel Luistro, and to Department of Justice Veterans Agoy Undersecretary Jose Cadiz Jr. Agoy, and GC Hermogenes Andres, goes, have reportedly been shortlisted for the top DOJ post. Tuloy, President Marcos is weighing the pros and cons of appointing an outsider versus promoting from within. The Escobar said, with less than 3 years left in his term, he wants someone who can move fast and deliver result. Yes, kailangan mabilis ang action. Medyo, siyempre, mga mabigatin ang responsibilidad ng isang DOJ at lalo na po ang ombudsman talaga. Kaya kayang-kaya ni Secretary Remulla yun. Politico reported that Aguinaldo and Cadiz were previously considered for the ombudsman. Sila po yung nakasama sa 7 list. No position before it was eventually. Sabi po dito. Ayan. Ano sabi? Before it was eventually offered to Remulla. Aguinaldo, a former commission on audit chair, ayan, is seen as a steady hand with institutional credibility, while Cadiz, a DOJ career lawyer, has long experience in legal administration. Ooh, goes. So, I think si Michael Aguinaldo, ito po ay panahon pa ni dating Pangulong Aquino. Siya po yan in-appoint siya. No? And of course, ito si Cadiz, Duterte yata ito. Correct me if I'm wrong. Nabasa po natin yun yung kanyang posisyon. Sino po ang nag-appoint, di ba mga bes? Andres, who has been serving an acting National Bureau of Investigation. Ay, kaya pala. Di ba? NBI chief since August 2025 is reportedly gaining traction within Malacanang for his management style and familiarity with ongoing high-profile investigation. Pwede. Pero in-appoint din ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. ito, mga beswa. Sabi dito, mga bes, Luistro on her second term as a congressman gained national attention as part of the House of Quadcom Committee. They investigated that the Duterte administration Gregor during the 19th Congress. So yun, mga kababayan, ano po ang kapalagayan nyo? Sino ang mapipili nyo dyan? But, syempre, hindi pa tapos. Mayroon pang isa, mga bes. Ito, basahin po natin. Ayan. Ang isa sa mga mapagpipilian, si Yusek Castro. Woohoo! Trial lawyers yan. Matalino, cum laude po yan. Kaya, fit na fit siya. Kayang-kaya niya gampanan ang kanyang tungkulin bilang DOJ Secretary. Sabi dito ng Batas PH, agoy. Attorney Claire Castro as SOJ, agoy. Palace Press Officer, Attorney, ayan, Claire Castro is reportedly being considered by the President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. to become the new Department of Justice Secretary according to Batas PH reliable source. Nako. This came after outgoing Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Boyeng Remulla was appointed as the new ombudsman. Aba, fit na fit naman si Secretary Castro. Ayusek pala. Ay magaling na trial lawyers yan, mga bes. At laging may basihan. Kayang-kaya niya. Fit na fit siya niyan. Diba, October 7, 2025, Press Officer Castro reportedly being eyed as a new Justice Secretary. Woohoo! Nako, matindi kayo. Matindi ito, Pag siya, nako, wala kayong ligtas. So, yun mga kababayan, ano po ang kapalagayan nyo? Agree ba kayo? Ako, agree ako. Kung si Yusek, ito, matalino to. Cum laude ito, no? Tsaka trial lawyers, at tsaka very fit yan. So, yun mga kababayan, ang pinaka-latest updates natin. Abangan po natin ang magiging resulta nito. See you again on my next upload. There's more. Bye-bye, and babush. God bless Philippines.